Hello, physics, astrophysics, CBR, cosmic background radiation. The question is, what is 2.7 Kelvin cosmic microwave background radiation? So we have to explain this one. So 2.7 Kelvin, it is average temperature of the matter within the universe. So actually, it is the average energy, universe which is observable. So universe is expanding. As it is expanding, its temperature is decreasing, is going down. So time is going this way. So that's why it is expanding. So this is Big Bang, and time is passing on this direction. It's going this direction, and temperature T is going down. Suppose the time is going this direction. So this is Big Bang, reverse. So so universe is contracting, and what will happen? Its temperature is increasing then. So uh, when the universe was very small, was very small, its temperature was very high. So universe small, temperature increasing, its temperature extremely high, high high temperature, high energy. So and also universe was expanding. Universe was expanding. When expanding, energy was spread. And this at 13.8 billion year after, still this energy is in the universe. So that is the cosmic background radiations.